Hello and welcome. Greg here from Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool, today wanting to let you know a little bit more about this stunning Caddy cargo commerce model. This particular example is the Commerce Pro short wheelbase, finished here in pure grey colour and powered by a 2-litre diesel engine with 122 PS worth of power. In terms of equipment, this Caddy has plenty to offer. Starting with the front, stylishly designed full LED headlights will be further complemented by LED daytime running lights too. As one of our approved used vehicles, this car will benefit from up to 12 months warranty and roadside assistance, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. Round the side, complementing the pure grey colour, is also a set of these 16-inch alloy wheels which look really nice. Additionally, you also have full benefit of electrically adjustable and even heated wing mirrors. The cargo area can easily be accessed via the sliding door, which will reveal plenty of storage and space. The wood panelling also adds additional reinforcement, and there's also a metal bulkhead available too. Moving towards the rear, there's even full LED combination taillights, which will give your Caddy a stylish look too. And once those doors open, again you can see for yourself just how much space there truly is on offer. A quick glimpse inside the front cabin will also reveal a premium offering, giving you access to a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, full digital dashboard for the driver, and front seats will offer additional side lumbar support for comfort, and they even come with electrically adjustable lumbar. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Volkswagen Caddy. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not give it a like now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once behind the wheel of this Caddy Commerce Pro, there's plenty to enjoy. Stylishly designed cabin has got lots of nooks and crannies which add to the overall practicalities, whilst the driver control panel is easy to reach and will offer you those electrically adjustable wing mirrors and electric windows, as well as easy to operate automatic headlights with even a fully heated front windscreen, which is great for frosty mornings. The multifunction steering wheel offers paddle shifters and trip computer functions from the right side, with the left side operating the adaptive cruise control and speed limiter. You can also choose what you would like to display both in the right dial as well as the left one as well, so this digital dashboard can be truly personalized to your own individual tastes. You can also change the look of the overall layout as well. For example, you can display full satellite navigation if you want to, or a more conventional style. For safety systems, there's cruise control and speed limiter, as well as front assist city emergency braking system will keep a watchful eye of the road ahead. This large 10-inch infotainment screen has a tablet-like feel with multiple screens, but also offers a more conventional menu. The best feature is you can truly slide around various tiles, so you can prioritize the most important ones on top. Full Bluetooth telephony pairing process is available, as well as Bluetooth audio, and for all your music needs, there's AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception. Built-in satellite navigation will offer high-definition graphics, and it's really crisp clear. Offering both 3D and 2D view mapping, whichever you prefer. It also offers live traffic updates and 7-digit postcodes. Various vehicle settings will also be on offer alike, choosing between exterior and interior modes, and again allowing you to optimize the feel of this Caddy as well. If you don't like built-in sat-navs, you'll be happy to know our App Connect, Apple CarPlay and AndroidAuto smartphone connectivity is also available for you. For those music lovers amongst you, the sound system can be truly optimized as well, and even a balance fader function will choose where the sound travels across the cabin. Various other settings are also available as you scroll up, giving you access to various assist systems, and they're nicely displayed here as I mentioned a little bit earlier. And to help with parking, there's audible and visual front and rear parking sensors to make sure you don't scratch your bumpers. Easy to use air conditioning system can also be operated via this haptic touch sensitive control, as well as audio for volume. Pressing on the climber button as well will give you a bit more clearer view as well, and you can choose from the screen directly where you want the air to focus. Moving down the cabin, there's plenty of storage trays available, as well as 2 USB Type-Cs and keyless go and 12-volt socket. There's plenty of storage space available for cup holders and 2 individual armrests for added comfort, as well as a large size glove box. Plenty of storage space is also available on top of the dashboard. This has been a presentation of the Volkswagen Caddy Commerce Pro that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our friendly sales team today on 0151 515 2911 or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to helping you find your next vehicle.